everyone, I am back today with another package of fabric. This time it is from another Canadian company, Club Tissu, or thefabricclub.ca. They are based out of Quebec, Canada, and I just picked this up today, and it's got some kind of special stuff in it for a project that I'm working on. So I only ordered a little bit of fabric. I think maybe a quarter or half a yard of each piece, and they shipped it next business day, which was awesome. I think I ordered it on the Thursday before Good Friday, and it shipped, I believe, on the Saturday. And then I picked it up today at my post office, which is the following Friday. So that's a week within Canada. And I'm also trying to remember if I paid for shipping. If I did, it was inexpensive. Okay, so I got this Zorb fabric, which is that like super absorbent fabric here. I've never used it before. This is just a really nice cotton lycra jersey. I love this color. This is amazing. It's great. It feels good. It was a good price. I think it was $24.99 a yard. It's quite heavy, like quite a dense knit, which is nice. I ordered some PUL fabric, which is a kind of laminated waterproof fabric. And then I got this, which I can't remember if it was modal or bamboo. Oh, it tells me right here, which is amazing. They have everything gets attached with a tag, so you can remember if you're like me and you forget what you buy. This tells you what it is. And I love this because it's got these little like pansies on it, and pansies are some of my favorite flowers. And it just is this like cool kind of retro avocado green color. So I wonder if you can guess what I am going to make with this fabric, with cotton lycra jersey, PUL, and Zorb. Leave me a note in the comments if you have an idea what you think I'm going to make with these beautiful fabrics.